present here. Amazing Sports Corporation, Amazing Sports Collection Incorporation will begin now. We are located in Gurgaon, that is in Delhi NCR, and we are thinking about expanding our, to diversify our product line by launching our new product, tennis equipments. Our mission is to provide the best sport gears to our customers so that they don't need to compromise with their fun and enthusiasm. Our vision is to provide the most premier sports equipment globally to all the sports enthusiasts. Our target is to improve the image of our company at the domestic market. As I already mentioned, we are operating only in India. The next target of ours is to gather maximum market share, to expand business at domestic level, and lastly to enter the global market.
The current organization structure that we have got is Neelu Chaudhary. She is our Chief Operation Officer who is responsible for overseeing the production and the supply of the business organization and maintaining a personal relationship with all our retail outlets and the producers that we have. We have Simran Saraudi as our Chief Financial Officer who is responsible for all the financial aspects of the business. She is responsible for maintaining our cash flow, and she's also responsible for lobbying with financial institutions to provide us with loans whenever we provide us with financial aid whenever we have need. And we have Simran we have Kriti Chachan as our Chief Marketing Officer who is responsible for all the marketing activities that we undertake. She's responsible for all the public relations campaign, all the marketing campaign, etc. And my name is Bhiva Bhattacharya, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of this organization, and I am overseeing all aspects of the business while also recruiting the new staff members and ensuring there is proper training done in the organization itself. Next, we have selected tennis in India because it is a very popular sport. Especially in urban areas. It was introduced in 1880 by the British Army and civil officers of the British Army. There are many tournaments that occur with tennis, especially one the prime focus being the International Premier Tennis League that started currently this year, which have very different tennis rules and regulation, and spiced up the entertainment level like the Indian Premier League of cricket. And it has also brought in new very famous names like Roger Federer and Leander Paes into the tennis forum of India. And some of the famous Indian tennis players are Sania Mirza, Mahesh Bhupathi and Leander Paes. The product that we are going to introduce primarily is the tennis bats and the tennis balls. We are planning to have at least sell 1 tennis bat and 3 tennis balls at the start. However, there are many other complementary products that complement tennis, like t-shirts, shoes, water bottles, shorts, bags, to name a few, that we will expand into as if this venture is very successful. And we chose tennis because, one, it's very famous in the urban crowd, and there is scope of expansion. There is already a tennis market. However, there are not many people there are not many suppliers. There are only mostly local suppliers with limited reach in the global market, and it is a very large industry in the world, and it is not yet to be completely tapped by the Indian market. And thank you. And the competition that we'll be facing will be mostly local suppliers like Newgen India, Bharat Novelties, Sports World, Phoenix Sports, NK Brothers. There aren't many restrictions in regards to entering into the tennis field. However, these companies have ensured that they have kept the price level very low, lower than the global average of prices in terms of the global market. Hence, one of the main problems that we'll be facing will be that we'll be required to sell at a lower price than in the global market. So it might be in the beginning we may incur a little bit of losses before we take off in ourselves. And now we have Kriti talking about the marketing of
I will begin with the functions of marketing. The first is gathering and analyzing the market information. This is the one of the most important function of marketing, because if the information gathered is not accurate, then the firm might face losses in future. The second thing is product designing and development. Marketing mainly focuses on the quality standard for shape and for the shape, design of the product, packaging, etc. in comparison to the competitors' product. Next thing is branding. Branding is basically establishing a brand image of our product in contrast to the competitors' product, so as to build the customer loyalty. Next thing is physical distribution. It mainly involves decisions such as the channels of distribution to be used, or the transportation, warehousing and storage. Next is customer support services. This function of marketing is very important so as to keeping and growing the customers. Next is pricing. Pricing plays a vital role for the success of any business, as even a very insignificant change in the price of the product in comparison to competitors might lead a firm to bear a huge loss. The marketing strategy that our firm was using up to now are, we were highly influenced by the market research conducted by our firm. Our price was determined by demand and competition, communication mix determined by the product, message determined by market demand, e-commerce mediums used, and to ensure that quality products are not delivered to any of our customers. You can see the market share. In the starting, all the companies started with the same market share, and now we have increased our market share in the domestic market. We can see our share in the green bars, which means that we are doing really good. And we have also, we started with the equal market share, and after a decade, AS Inc. has the largest market share in bicycles, foils and surfboards, except for the skis. According to the BCG matrix, 3 of our products are in stars: foils, bicycles and surfboards, while our last product, that is skis, is a cash cow. The marketing strategy for tennis. Our price is 2000 INR, that means it's Indian currency, in which we'll be providing 1 tennis bat and 3 tennis balls. The communication mix we'll be choosing is public relation, because we have got a goodwill and very good relation with the retail stores located in the urban areas like Calcutta, Bangalore, Bombay. So we'll be using public relation because it is relatively a cheaper means of communication and advertisement. The next is price/quality, which means that we'll be delivering, we'll be accommodating our extent of quality with the price that the customers are willing to pay us, which means equilibrium price and equilibrium quality. Next, e-commerce on social media campaigns such as on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And lastly is the basic check, because we are using the production concept, which means that delivering goods at a relatively cheaper price, and we are not using the product concept which are used by firms such as Audi and BMW. We are focusing on the production concept. That's why we'll be using the basic check. Next, I'll call our CFO, Simran Saraogia.
Purchasing strategy. In the past few decades or past few years, we can say the purchasing strategy for our company has been cost, quality, dependability, flexibility, and speed. In which we can say our company wants to buy the products in a minimum cost but with the best quality it can, so that we can supply those best quality goods at a limited price which can give us profit, and betterment to the consumers who are using it. Dependability, on which we can depend on the purchase or we can say the producers, so that we don't need to always panic for our goods. We can easily depend on them for any stuff, whether it's money giving, whether it's loan, or whether it's long term buying of products. Flexibility, how much flexible are we with them? In case, let's take an example, suppose today our company bought some goods which we get as damaged. That flexible relation in which we can return those goods back to them, in which they don't complain us saying that no, it was not our fault and all that thing, so that we become more frank with them as a consumer and they become more better with us as a producer. Speed. As all of us know, speed is one of the most important factor which as we know, speed is one of the most responsible factor in the market, in the purchasing stuff, because we need goods which are delivered as soon as possible, because we don't want to wait for any goods which is not delivered for months and so which make us feel down or which makes our company go down in a good way. So that is why we always prefer going to those company who gives us a speed, who gives us good speed delivery. We also want to buy those goods which are needs and the wants of the market. We always take care of our consumers, what they want to buy from us, and also the kind of quality good they want from us. We use the best suppliers for a product depending on the above criteria and market research. We always choose our products and our producers very wisely before we go and twist towards them. Also, with the help of extensive market research that we have conducted every year, as a result, we have increased, this has been a highly increase in price and quality from 90% and 70%. Also, the quality surprise experienced by our customer is greater than what we used to serve before. And as we can see this, we first the product. The product which we sell is the product which customer demand is 1.83, as we can see there, and the product which we sell for the product which we sell to which customer demands from us is 1.83. The thing which we give them is for 3.02. And the thing which they experience or which they feel after they use the product is around 4.82, and this is all experimented out of 5. We rate this out of 5. So yes, we can say that we have got a huge increment in our price and in our quality. Like you can see, before we were right there in the yellow, just after the yellow line and in the beginning of green line. Now we can see that wisely increasing, we have gone in the middle of green line. We have these possible suppliers of us, out of which some of them were rejected due to some unwise products which they deliver us. The main suppliers which we buy the products are Dunlop Sports, Slenzer's Head, Wilson Sporting Good, Technifiber, and Prince. Yeah, I will just go to slide. Out of these, Dunlop, Slenzer, and Prince have already customer base in the company. However, these are one of the best companies which have been providing us with the supplies. And the company head Technifiber products have still not entered the market, so we may contact them as soon as possible after we hear some goodwill from the market about them. Distribution. Purchase inventory at regional centers. Distribution, currently for our distribution strategy, we purchase inventory at regional centers. And provide it to retailers all over India. As tennis is a sport played in urban regions most of the time, we believe that retailers will be concentrating more on the retail area than that of wholesale. So we always, as this venture expand, we also will want to increase our retail to other parts of India while promoting the sport also in a very highly wise manner, so that the sport gets as much as publicity and as much as public demand as it should be getting in the urban, in the other region than that of urban. In this, the possible strategies that are available to us if we expand our sports, as I mentioned earlier, the companies, and now in the distribution case, advantages for our distribution thing is distribution costs are lower than purchasing from directly ordering from factory. We directly provide them cost at low price, than that we keep a low margin of profit in order to expand the company and also to promote the game. Can demand for discount from the regional centers, manageable initial cost and fixed cost. Disadvantages: our product have a high purchase price, higher distribution cost. Finance. We have a good finance record where we have paid all of our loans back on time with interest. We do also pay back all the payments and all the operations and the other stuff at time, no matter whatever bills and expenditure it is related to the firm. Currently we do not have any loan and we do not have any kind of operation loans which we need to pay, operations charge, or it can be operation expenditures. For this expansion, we plan to apply for a long-term loan for a domestic bank with maximum interest at 18%, so that we can expand our business to more, and which can help us to enter the global market.
Our sales manager is Joseph Peter, whose main aim is to have fun while working. He believes that doing fun stuff while working is the co-worker on a regular basis is one of the requirement of a healthy environment. Focus on the work and on the people who do it. We believe that he is right candidate for our sales manager because he shares the same goals as of having fun while working. We have a training budget of £4,000, which is good as compared to the market, to maintain our working condition and that employee feels comfortable. We spent £3,500. We have a sales department of 20. We pay £4,000 to our staff annually. In the start of our management, the staff believed that they will improve. We had a low concern for both tax and people. However, after the change, we instilled the team. The staff believe they are team leader, where we have a high concern for both the people and the tax. Our staff loyalty has also increased for 0.0% to 64.84%. We will increase our sales department size to 25 people who will be responsible for the sales of tennis equipment. Our wages of all staff members will increase by £1,000 for their loyalty and dedicated work for the company in the past decade. Training budget will increase by £1,000 so that we are always trained in the latest sales techniques. Working condition budget will increase by £1,500 so that employees are more comfortable while working. Research and development is one of the key tools of organization needs to ensure that the organization remains competitive in the market. We conduct extensive research on various elements of the organization. Example, market, product development, HR development. Our budget in accordance to the product are in process 2000 skis, 2000 bicycle, 2000 foils, 2000 and surfboards, 2000. Our research and development budget for tennis equipment will also be £2,000. For research, we will be conducting research on about the criteria: market size, segment size, society value, quality, experience, and market analysis.
Thank you, Neelu. And I would like to conclude that while we have taken over the management for 10 years, we have some strengths and weaknesses for our organization. The main strengths that we have as an organization is that we have a very good image with our public, with our customers, and we provide them good quality, especially with the amount of price that we charge, especially when that point that Simran pointed out, where our image has been improved from 70% to 90% currently. The opportunities that we believe that we have, because as we expand into this venture, is that we are centrally located with many regional centers in urban areas, especially Noida, Delhi, Calcutta. Then we have down south in Karnataka, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and even in Punjab areas like Gurgaon and Chandigarh. But the main weaknesses that we have currently that we are facing is that we have a low cash balance, especially because there was a high inventory purchase in the past 2 years, and also that the last year had an economic recession according to the Pro Solution, which in turn led to a loss in that particular year. And one of the main threats that we'll be facing is that tennis is a growing market and it's not fully grown yet, and it is a very niche market, so we may not be able to capitalize the market as we hope we will be able to, and we need to put contingency plan. And as a conclusion, I would like to present our marketing mix for this product, where we would mostly be primarily focusing on purchasing from Head and Technifiber for their products, and we'll be selling them at 2,000 for 2,000 INR, that is $20, 21 pounds, sorry, and where we'll be selling 1 racket and 3 balls. The promotion that we'll be doing will be a public relations promotion, and we'll be distributing from the same channels that we have been using through regional centers. And to finance this production, we'll be taking a long-term loan from domestic banks at 18% interest rate, at a maximum of 18% interest rates. Thank you.